Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickle lime easy method. Start by slicing 1 cup of limes and 2 cups of cucumbers, then whisk a brine of 1 cup vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 2 tablespoons salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar and pour over the fruit and vegetables. Pack jars tightly, add optional spices like dill or garlic, seal, and chill. Taste after 24 hours and adjust seasoning as needed for brighter flavor. In this video, I will show how to make pickle lime easy method. Measure ingredients carefully. 1 cup limes, 2 cups cucumber, 1 cup vinegar, 1/2 cup water, 2 tablespoons salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, and optional spices like dill or garlic. Layer limes and cucumbers in a jar, pour hot brine to cover, and press down to remove air. Let cool to room temperature before sealing and refrigerating for at least 24 hours for flavor to develop fully. In this video, I will show how to make pickle lime easy method. Quick recommendation: if you're chopping and tasting all day, grab the Oala water bottle for convenient hydration and a leak-proof flip lid that keeps your hands free. It fits cup holders, stays cold, and makes kitchen cleanup easier when you're busy preserving flavors. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pickle lime easy method. First, sterilize jars and pack slices in layers, then pour hot brine over them, making sure liquid covers everything. Tap jars to release trapped air, leave about 1/2 inch headspace, and seal while warm. Cool jars on a rack, then refrigerate and wait at least 24 hours. Taste test and tweak salt or sugar to balance brightness and tang to your liking before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.